Hello everyone, today we will be solving a problem number swapper. So in this problem we have to write a function to swap a number in place without using temporary variables. So let's take a look at the solution of this problem. So in the first solution we will use arithmetic operator, and then we will discuss the drawback of using this operator, and finally we will solve this problem using bitwise operator. So using arithmetic operator, let's take an example. A is equal to 10 and B equal to 5. So first we will take a difference of A and B and then assign it to A. So A becomes 5. Now A is 5 and B is also 5. So now let's take addition of both and assign it to B. So now A becomes 5 and B becomes 10. So finally we'll subtract A from B and assign it to A. So A becomes 5. Hence A is equal to 5 and B equal to 10. Hence they are swapped. So the problem with this approach is, in this problem overflow may occur. So let's take an example. If A's and B's value is very large and very close to the maximum integer range, then if we do A plus B, so in that case it will overflow. So let's take a look at another approach using bitwise operator. So in this approach we will use XOR. So let's take a look at the XOR truth table. So 1 XOR 0 is 1, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 1 XOR 1 is 0, and 0 XOR 1 is 1. So now let's take the same example, A equal to 10 and B equal to 5. So we can write A as 1010 and B as 0101. So if we take A XOR B, that will be 1111, and then we will assign it to A. So the current values are A is equal to 1111 and B equal to 0101. So let's take A XOR B again. So that will be 1010 and we will assign that to B. So let's again take A XOR B with the current values. So that will be 0101 and we will assign that to A. So now the current values are A is equal to 0101 and B equal to 1010. So that means A is equal to 5 and B equal to 10. So we can see that the variables are swapped. So let's take a look at the code, first for the arithmetic operator and then for the bitwise operator. So let's take the same example. A is equal to 10 and B equal to 5. So first we will take A is equal to A plus B. So A becomes 15, and then we will take a difference of A and B and assign that to B. So B becomes 10, and then again we will subtract B from A and assign that to A. So A becomes 5. So we will print the values of A and B and let's run this code. As you can see in the output, A is 5 and B equal to 10. So the variables are swapped. So let's move on to using bitwise operators. So we will take the same example, A equal to 10, B equal to 5. So first we will take A XOR B and assign that to A. Then again we'll take XOR of A and B and assign that to B. And then we'll take again A XOR B and assign that to A. And finally we are printing the values of A and B. So let's run this code. As you can see on the right that A is 5 and B becomes 10.